Hello students, today we are going to start another lesson of First Flight book. The title of the lesson is His First Flight. First of all, you should know the learning outcome of the story. First point is to enable students the importance of independence, self-belief and confidence. Second is need for motivation to attain goal and to inculcate the moral values. As we all know, everybody have gone free to overcome water or to start flying. That have been a difficult process. How a bird was able to move fly. So today we will read this chapter which is written by Liam O'Flaherty. He is an Irish story writer. He has prominent role in Irish literature and he has written his stories in a very simple language so that it is quite easy for the children. In this story, we see a particular kind of fear that is in a bird who is actually seagull. The story is a delightful agony about overcoming one's fear in life. It is said that if we conquer our fear with courage and confidence, we will realize that we have unlimited potential. The main character of the story is the young seagull. He was afraid to fly. He was left on his legs. He always thought that his wings would never support him. He lacked confidence. All his family members, his parents and his siblings had flown away. But he could not fly. He left on his legs and at that time he was very hungry. His family tried hard to make him fly but no result. He cried for food. He wanted the help of his parents. Only his mother was looking at him. Then his mother tore a piece of fish and flew near him. But when she was near him, she halted. The young seagull was so hungry that he dived for the fish. Dived meaning is jumped. Now his wings spread. As he was outwards, his wings spread and he began to fly. He was not fearful for flying. He was flying. He was soaring in the sky. His family landed on the sea ahead of him because now his parents wanted him to land on the sea. With his family, he landed on the sea and began to sink in the water. But his belly touched water and now he was floating without any fear. Thus, we can say that the parental encouragement and discipline played a great role in shaping the destiny of the young seagull, and with the help of his family, he was able to complete his journey. Thank you. कितने उसकी हुई?